and then just like kind of hand tighten it a little more. I don't know how tight you're supposed to.
Are you supposed to torque those?
I didn't torque them that much.
No, are you supposed to?
I don't know.
I don't know either, guys. What's up? It is Evan, Whitehouse Studios, back at it again. We just finished that other video, literally 10 seconds ago. Am I right?
Yeah.
I just got done
Probably
doing
less
that
than
to
10
him.
seconds.
Yeah, no, I literally said, right now we're about to begin recording another video. I will, obviously in the next video, you guys will see what we're doing. So, hopefully we know what the torque specs are. Alright, but in the last video, guys, I told you we were doing something to the Mustang. So, a little backstory on this thing.
Misfire.
What? You're too quiet.
Multiple misfires.
Multiple misfires in this, that, this, and this. And if you aren't car people, those are spark plugs. We had to take off the entire manifold, and it was stupid because we had to disconnect this plug right here. We had to disconnect whatever that sensor is. We had to unscrew this. Obviously disconnect it from the throttle body and the intake. Disconnect this piece. It was just I forgot I can't curse. It was just a bundle of joy. But now we're changing out spark plugs. Chris actually just pulled one out. Look how terrible these spark plugs are. I guarantee these plugs have never been changed out since this car was bought back in 2011. This is the new one. New one looks a lot better than the old one, obviously. I was gonna get E3 spark plugs, but AutoZone no longer carries them. So I went with the next best thing, which is AC Delco. They were rated good price. So I guess we'll see how this holds up. Since it's a 6-cylinder, it takes 6 spark plugs.
Right.
So we're gonna do obviously 3 spark plugs on each side, which is why we had to take off the manifold, because the manifold hangs over onto that side of the car. So Ford, your design is shit. How's it going, Chris?
Slow.
Oh.
But fine.
A big oof. I'll just say a big oof. I was also teasing you guys a little bit on Instagram as to what happened to the car. I'll give a little sneak peek right there. All right, that's all you guys get. I'll do a whole video recapping of what we've done to the car so far and what future plans are.
Wow. Doing work on his own car.
What's this?
That goes in the socket.
So
That's what helps pull him out.
That wasn't supposed to come out.
Well, you can just throw it back in the socket.
Little mishap happened. Actually, do you want to explain it? Do you want to expose me, or do you want me to expose you? Listen, you are going to become the next TJ Hunt.
Yeah, okay.
If you just vlog correctly.
Is that better?
Yeah, that's all right.
There. Do I have the camera on me? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Evan forgot to tell me that he had this in the bag. We got some of this, some of the anti-seize, and I did not put it on the 2 I just put in. So
Why didn't you put it on?
because I didn't know you had it.
Because I come prepared. I really do.
Now we have to take the 2 I put in there back out.
Wait, what? Christopher, help me! Yeah, I'm doing it right. I put it on the top part. Right?
You put it on this. What is that on?
Boot protector. Avoid stuck boots.
Look, it's Corey.
What?
Did I tell you that I got the new Insta360 Pro?
What's this spark plug?
Oh,
That's spark. You just got lube on your hand.
no, I didn't touch it. So, joke's on you. Anyway, yeah, GoPro Hero 7.
Wow.
And then I got the Insta360 X.
So in other words, he has a small penis. Good job, you. I like it. Bye. I know where this goes. It's anti-thread lock. You know what a thread is, Chris?
Nope, not at all.
That's thread.
Oh.
You know how I know that?
Nope.
Google.
Shit.
Just gonna guesstimate.
I need a little bit.
Oh yeah, get that real good. Yeah.
You cursed.
I don't know about you, but I heard a beep, not a curse.
Okay, well we're gonna do this. So.
Now we gotta redo it to all of them because Christopher forgot.
Because someone didn't tell me he had the shit.
You're my Nino.
No, that's Terry.
You're my Nino.
No. Alright, well.
Well, my Nino.
We just Got the last one back into the engine.
Yeah,
so
Chris. By the way, I did it myself.
yeah, because
Be proud of me.
I made him take them out.
Dad, come back. Be proud of me.
Now time for this side. Yeah.
No, I gotta put the boots back in.
Well, that takes
I
like
gotta-
2 seconds.
I
Okay.
gotta put her boots on. She can't be Dora the Explorer without her boots. Good job, my Nino.
No, I'm not your Nino.
Don't make me call you the other one.
You can't.
Why not? Don't do that to me ever again. Don't make me call you it. Janina.
I'm not a Nina. We gonna start this real quick.
Hey, Chris.
What?
You think if my dad were to ever come back, he would be proud of me? I got all 3 of these done. Quite simple, honestly. The thing about the Mustang is that it's very hard to get to the spark plugs just because of the fact you have to take off the manifold. If we didn't have to take out the manifold, this job would have been done a long time ago. But Chris is working on getting these 3 off. And then we'll be all good. But we got the manifold on. Chris just looked up the bolt pattern for this because we both forgot because we're stupid. And yeah, after this, everything should be good. We'll go out, take a test drive, and yeah. Oh shit, Leo, tell me about your new car. What you got there?
Got my new ride. I got my 24 inches right here. Yep.
Oh,
Threw that green paint on there. I'm not sure where it came from. I kind of found this in the alley, and I just took it home with me.
You mean you found in the alley where you beat up that child that was with her grandmother?
Doesn't count if I don't know her name.
Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. How much wheel horsepower are you putting off, Leo?
About 27%.
Oh shit. God damn. Oh shit. It got the hydraulics.
Boom, 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 boom.
Ew. That's fucking nasty. Oh, hello.
I'm not running on horsepower. I'm running on centaur power.
Oh shit. Yo, how much centaur power your car got? Oh, you know about the power of 10 centaurs. This is how you properly steal something.
See how durable and aerodynamics and shit.
What? I got that too.
Yeah, boy.
Oh shit. Oh, you almost hit the truck. Alright, well, we got everything back together. Finally. Took like a very long time.
Longer than we thought it would.
Way longer than we thought. Everything went together badly because it was just so annoying. And we ended up, well, I ended up breaking an engine mount bolt right there. So that bolt is inside of it and the head is somewhere down there, which we cannot find. So now, somehow I have to learn how to drill out the bolt and then find a new one to put in there because that is a essential bolt, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we're about to start this up and see if it runs good, I guess. I guess it sounds okay.
Yeah.
I don't know. I guess we'll find out.
Yeah.
You're not getting the driver's seat, sir.
I don't want to.
You were just about to get into my driver's seat.
No, I wasn't, because I can't fucking drive it.
Yeah. Back up, Nino. Back up, Nino.
Boy.
Nino. That's gonna conclude this video, guys. I hope you did enjoy. If you haven't already, check out the last video. Soto did a tune on this car and made it make some fucking popcorn. You know, medium rare, seasoned and everything. I'm gonna end this video here, like I said, probably 3 times now. If you haven't already, make sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe if you have not already, turn on those post notifications so you get a notification whenever I upload. But guys, until next time, I love you. Peace out. Camera died, so hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace out. Bye.
See ya.
You wanna do the thing?